Hello! If your Paylocity app is not letting you log in, then you have come to right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your not able to log in problem of Paylocity app. Now, the first step is getting the latest version of Paylocity app and running it. And how you can do it is just simply go to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search for Paylocity, then select Paylocity. Now, instead of uninstall and open, you will have a update. If you do click on this update button and your app will be updated to the latest version with all the fixes and improvements like given in here. And that should most probably solve the problem of not able to log into your Paylocity app. Now, if this step does not help you, you can take the next step, and that is clearing data and cache. You can proceed with this step by long pressing on this app icon. Now, you may find app info right around here. In my case, app info is this icon. So I'm going to click on this one. So if you scroll down, you can see storage. So let's select it. Now, in order to clear data and cache, there are two buttons at the bottom: clear data and clear cache. First, you can go ahead with clearing cache and then clearing data, and again try if you can log into your Paylocity app. Now, if both of those steps doesn't help you, you can take this last step, which is uninstalling the app and reinstalling it again. So in order to uninstall, you can again long press on this app icon and there is uninstall button. So once you've uninstalled it, you can again get the app from the Play Store or App Store depending on your device. And after this step, you most probably can successfully log into your account of Paylocity. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or problems, do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.